Global warming is a very common thing, but scientists and researchers have predicted that due to this global warming, maybe there will be a great problem in the future. Hey everyone, my name is Prasanti and today I'm going to talk about the future global warming. To know about it, please watch my video till the end. So let us start. Please like and subscribe my channel and also share my videos. Global temperatures will continue to warm over the next 5 years and may even temporarily rise to more than 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, the World Meteorological Organization said on Thursday, 9th July 2020. But that does not mean the world would be crossing the long-term warming threshold of 1.5 degrees Celsius, which scientists have set as the ceiling for avoiding catastrophic climate change. But it does show the warming trend continuing apace, underlining the enormous challenge the world faces in meeting the 2015 Paris Agreement's goal of curbing climate warming emissions enough to keep the rise in temperatures well below 2 degrees Celsius, said WMO Secretary-General Petteri Taalas. The WMO said there was a 20% chance that average annual temperatures, which fluctuate from year to year, could hit the 1.5 degrees Celsius mark in any year between 2020 and 2024. Meanwhile, each of those years is likely to be at least 1 degree Celsius above pre-industrial levels, with nearly every region feeling the effects. Southern Africa and Australia, where bushfires last year raised millions of acres, will probably be drier than usual through 2024, while Africa's Sahel region will likely be wetter, the WMO said. Europe should see more storms, while the North Atlantic will be windier. The projections are part of a new WMO effort to provide shorter range forecasts of temperature, rainfall and wind patterns to help nations keep tabs on how climate change may be disrupting weather patterns. However, the world will probably not reach the long-term 1.5 degrees Celsius warming threshold for at least another decade. Currently, the long-term trend has averaged global temperatures at about 1.2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, said Michael Mann, a climatologist at Penn State University. Right now, we are in the middle of a positive fluctuation that has global temperatures at about 1.4 degrees Celsius above the pre-industrial level, Mann said. We don't expect that level of warmth to persist. We expect to see temperatures again fall towards or below the trend line over the next couple of years. Michael Mena, a former Chilean environment minister and now director director of the Climate Action Center at the Pontifical Catholic University in Valparaiso, said even short-term rises could trigger extreme weather events which could add strain to nations already struggling with the coronavirus outbreak. There are going to be years that are higher than the projections and years lower. But the fact that we have this increase in this context shows us that some of the symbolic events are closer to home than expected, he said. Please like and subscribe my channel for motivating me to make more videos. Thank you.